So one of the questions that I also get asked a lot when I tell people that, by the way, I'm also doing trading, is why do you need to do trading as well? You have got these other businesses going on the side. Why are you trading? Uh, in my honest opinion, actually, I do believe that. Trading is one of the best businesses on the planet. I believe trading in forex, in stocks, in crypto, whatever trading that people are doing is one of the best business models on the planet. Of course, we've got various industries, we've got various businesses that people do, but in my opinion, trading is by far the best business any person can actually do. The businesses that I do on the side, I think I've talked about my web development, graphic design, and things like that. For me, they are more of an outlet for my creativity. That's about those businesses. But when it comes to trading, I really feel like wow, this thing should be like wow, everybody should be doing this. So why do I think that trading is the best business on the planet? First of all, first of all, in terms of barriers to entry, I believe there are very few businesses on the planet right now where you can actually get into as easily as trading. For example, with my broker, the link is in the description box below. If you're looking for a good broker, an award winning broker, you can simply sign up with $5 and you start trading a real live account. Tell me of a business that you can start with just $5. Tell me of a business that you can think of where you can just start with $5 and you are able to turn that $5 into maybe 30, 40, $50. Yeah, yeah, I mean, tell me another business where you can just start with just $5. I'm not talking about the shady stuff. I'm talking about a real business that you can start with $5. There are very low entry barriers when it comes to trading. Anybody really can, well, besides your age, because obviously you just need to be above 18 and stuff like that. And besides things like that, you really can join trading. Very low entry barrier. Anybody can join trading. No other business is such a low barrier to entry, such as trading. Number two, and for me, this is a big one. You don't need customers. You don't need customers in trading. It's a $6 trillion a day market, and you don't even need to sell anything to anybody. You don't need customers. You just need to have your account, your good strategy, your capital, and you trade the market. Whether you are buying or selling that currency, and you are buying this currency and selling that currency, whatever that you are doing. But you are not selling, you are not trying to get somebody to buy your shoes, to buy your fruits. You are not trying to get somebody to buy your services. We know it can be frustrating. Yes, I know. I already told you I have other businesses that I do. Sometimes it's frustrating trying to convince people what to buy your service or to buy your product, or to convince them to pay you what they owe you. It's another thing in running businesses. It's not all good and fine all the days. Sometimes you even do give people your products and you do provide your services, but it's a hassle to get those people to pay you what is due to you. With trading, it's different. You don't have to deal with people. If you hate dealing with people, if you hate dealing with people, trust me, start trading. if you hate dealing with people. Reason number three, obviously, there's the time element. I think there are very few businesses that allow you the time freedom that trading offers. That's why I always tell people that you need to trade like the higher time frames, because it gives you the time freedom, which is what you get with trading. You basically can, let's say you only trade one session, a trading session, or maybe out of that trading session there's a specific time that you only trade, maybe it's the opening of that session, or maybe just before the close of that session, or maybe you only trade fundamentals, or maybe you only, whatever that you do, you find that you have got better time freedom when you are trading than in many other businesses where you are always up and down trying to do this, trying to do that, trying to connect this and connect that, trying to catch up on clients, trying to answer emails and things like that. With trading, for example, I know people who make money with the New York Open strategies. You know, when where I am, they call it the 1530 or 1630 strategy. Basically, they apply it on the NAS 100 and US 30 and other indices. So they are only aiming to what? To get their money from the volatility that is generated when the New York market opens. So for them, they can spend their day, the rest of their day, doing other things, having fun with their kids and stuff like that, and then wait for what? For that specific time when the New York session is going to open. Then they do their trading, maybe for 1 hour. Then they close their charts. They are out of the market. They continue what? Living their day, and they've generated more money for when you compare it with maybe some other manual jobs and things like that. So that time element, you cannot get it anywhere else for me except in trading. Obviously, you don't have any inventory. You don't have any products. You don't need a warehouse. That's another element with trading. If you're going to be selling products, you need to think about logistics. How are you going to use to move this product from point A to point B? How are you going to store it? If you are worse, if you are going to be dealing with perishables, because you are going to need to make sure that you have enough refrigeration, you have got all these things in place in order to what? To move this product from that one part of the country to where it's actually needed, where your sellers are, and things like that. A lot of logistics involved in doing that. With trading, you don't need that. Most of the time, you just need your laptop, your cell phone, and internet access, and your capital. You are good to go. You are open shop. So that's one of the reasons that I also believe what trading is the best business on the planet. Obviously, you don't have to deal with employee remunerations, retirements, medical aids, and things like that, unless, well, if you are just running maybe an institution where you provide courses, and maybe you have a secretary to take some calls and things like that. But if basically you are just trading out of your house and things like that, you basically don't have those overheads. You don't have people that you need to look out for. You don't. So if you're a person who hates dealing with people, trading is basically the best business to be involved in. If you hate dealing with people, you don't like getting involved in all these things about employees and things like that. Trading, trust me, is the business for you. Then obviously there's no other business that gives you like instant returns like trading. If you are trading, you can There and there you can tell how much you made and or how much you lost. There and there you know how much you made, how much you lost, and it's very easy to to convert that those trades into cash and make your withdrawals and get your money. Of course, you need a reliable broker for that. That's why I'm recommending one of my broker. The link is in the description box below. I've not had problems with them for I think more than 5 years trading with them. I've never had a problem with them when it comes to withdrawals. It's unlike what? Dealing with customers. Sometimes you have to send this customer several emails before what they decide they are going to pay you for what you provided to them. There is no instant cash there. But when it comes to trading, you can easily convert your positions, your trades into cash and make a withdrawal, and you go and buy whatever you want to buy, a house, a car, iPhone, whatever that you are planning on buying. So these are some of the reasons why I am still trading. People usually ask me that, why are you trading? Why don't you concentrate on this other business that you have and things like that? For me, those businesses are for creative output, for creative expression. That's where I can express my creativity. But when it comes to the ideal business for me, trading, there is no other business on the planet like trading. Do you agree? Do you not agree? Leave your comments in the comment section below. Guys, subscribe, like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.